Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with stretched resolution. First, understand that this method can significantly alter your game's visual presentation. While some players find a wider field of view advantageous, others might experience a slightly distorted image. It is important to test this thoroughly to see if it improves your gameplay or negatively affects your visual clarity. Proceed with caution. Before we begin, gather your tools. You will need a reliable file manager app installed on your mobile device. Also, make sure PUBG Mobile is completely shut down, not just minimized, to avoid any conflicts. For some devices, using a dedicated third-party resolution changer app available from your App Store can make the entire process much smoother and more intuitive. Now, let's dive into the core changes. Open your file manager and navigate to the Android, then Data, then your PUBG Mobile game folder. Inside, find the Files directory, then UE4 Game, Shadow Tracker Extra again, and finally Saved. Locate the Config folder, then Android, and open the user custom. ini file. Remember to always create a backup copy of this file first, just in case. Within the user custom, ini file, you will need to add specific lines to force the stretched resolution. Look for sections related to resolution, and if not present, carefully add new lines defining your desired screen width and height. For instance, you might use 1440 by 1080 pixels. After entering these precise values, save the file securely and make sure it is not read-only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.